Got this at Lowe's. This is corner bead for drywall. I've been seeing a lot of nail techs use this inside their Onyx units for organization. That is going to be 11.5 inches. And like that. Ha ha ha. Yes. Huh. Nail techs can fix anything with a file. Huh. Look at that. That might have worked, taking down a sharp corner. In order for this to stay in place, once I cut this down to size, I'm going to use this on the bottom, and hopefully that'll help hold it in place. Now when I put this in here, I have my bottles, but I'm going to take a pencil, and I have draw liners in here. I'm going to lightly mark where I want this, and let's go right there and stick her in, and that's perfect. Now everything is all finished, so I have all of my bottles up here, and all of this is either my bases like this. I have my IBX system, my top coat, so I have everything going here. I have 2 builder in a bottles. Then I have all of my acra gels, my hard gels, and my really big pots down here. If I remove these out of the way, I have a whole tray of all of my Light Elegance products back here, and a couple little more odds and ends that I don't reach for all that much, but they're over here.